We can go on.
Lago di Garda.
Do you know it? So, the question is, how many hours do you teach per week? Because in Italy, headmasters don't teach.
I teach 12 hours a week.
Okay. It is always the same in all the school here, or not?
In my case, it's always the same class, because this is a different case. But usually, a headmaster has hours in different classes.
Mm-hmm.
It's how you choose. But so, I have 12 hours.
As you told me before, if the school is bigger,
so the head teaches less hours. Yes.
But always teach.
Always teach.
Okay. What do you do when you are not teaching?
I'm sitting, I'm organizing computer. Very many times I'm in telephone. Thinking. And then I have meetings with tonight, 6 o'clock in the evening, I have a meeting who are having their children for the becoming.
Do you have to suggest something to the teachers after race or creed?
I maybe can speak, but I don't say that you must teach in this way or this. I really yeah, there isn't the one and
what are your duties? What do you have?
I'm responsible for the whole school, for the money.
How much money do you have per year? Maybe?
About 5 million. Government.
Okay.
The town gets money. They will manage in the life.
Okay.
And as well as it is possible to manage in the life.
Yes, it's the main goal in Italy. Can you plan something different from the national goals?
Yes, here is the national goal, and it's very free and open.
Okay.
And then we have our own. And this is a big paper, and it's all done in computer. For example, it takes very many. Here are all the teachers and how many hours do they teach, and in which classroom. Yes, it takes time to plan it.
Always the same hours?
No, they
26 hours per week.
So, for example, it's 28, 27, 28, 28, 27, 26.
Yes, but they earn more if they work.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
It's, for example, if you teach 24 hours, 28 hours, you get much more.
Much more, okay. And you can choose.
You can choose it in our school, you can choose, but it's, in some school you can 24 hours.
Okay. And how many hours do are for the pupils?
In the first class, it's 19 19 to 21 hours. And in the second class it's the same. And it
21 hours. For
19,
aged
19 to 21.
from 19 to 21.
Yes. And in the third and fourth class it is 23 to 25 hours.
Mm-hmm.
And in the class from 5th to 6th it is from 24 to 26 hours. And the teachers, they can decide.
How many hours?
Yeah, they can
pupils
change
do?
every week
Oh.
as they want.
Even the hours for the pupils. too.
Yeah. Then also in the class 4, 5 and 6 the pupils can have 2 extra hours for foreign language.
Mm-hmm.
And in our school it is everybody is reading English, but these children can choose also 2 extra hours in France or in Alemania, in Germany. I know it's Germany, but I want to say in Spain.
Spain.
Ah.
Yes, I know.
How is it in Italy?
German. Tedesco is in Italy.
What?
Tedesco.
Uh-huh.
Kind of
Alemania.
different. Okay. So I noticed that the teachers always were more than the pupils, than the hours of the pupils.
Mm-hmm.
In Italy it's the opposite.
Mm-hmm.
The pupils have to do about 30 hours per week,
Mm-hmm.
but we teachers have to work only for 24 hours. And we can't choose. We have always 24 hours and always the same salary. Okay. And what about handicapped pupils? Do they have special school or special teachers?
They have a special schools, but it depends on the school. Are they available to take them? And from this autumn, 95, we have one handicapped, Down syndrome, girl in the class number 1.
Mm. And if you want, you can send her to a special school?
Yeah, but not without asking the parents.
Ah, okay.
The parents, they can choose,
They can
and they talk with the headmaster. Is it possible that they come?
Okay. How many teachers in Itakira school and how many pupils?
We have 19 teachers, and then we have a teacher in France, but she has only 5 hours a week, so she is also in 2 other schools.
Okay. Can you choose the teachers that you want?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can, but I cannot say them arrivederci.
Okay.
But if I need new teachers, for example, this summer I need maybe 2, 3. Don't say that to them because they don't know. That's a secret right now. So I maybe ask here 10 teachers and I take the best one. I maybe need somebody's teacher's help to have something test. I don't test in paper, but I ask them things.
Okay.
How I very much want to see their papers very much. I want to see them.
Okay. I will leave. Okay. And have the teachers to stay always in the classrooms? And what about if something bad happens to the children in their spare time, for example? The things that we discussed before with the papers of the parents.
It is in that way that teachers don't have to stay in the classrooms, but always the teacher is responsible for the things that happens in the classroom when she or he is not there. We have only one thing that in our computer class we have that every time the teacher must be there, every second. But very many times I see that there is no teacher, but we have a deal. Yeah. And then we have many systems that we can send children to, for example, we don't have so not many computers. For example, yesterday I sent 4 girls to their home to do their things in the computer, but they had permission in the paper from mother and daddy that now they are studying from 10 to 12 at home, and they live quite near, only 500 meters. And afterwards they have to show what they did there. But I don't ask every time.
And I saw always, every day here, that the pupils are able to go out of the school without the teachers. How can it happen?
Yeah, here is our schoolyard. It's in that direction, and we have
There is no wall, no limit.
No limits. So, but always there must be one teacher. But every time we have it. But then we have on the opposite we have a football stadium. It's not nice, but there is a football stadium. So if the pupils have in the class number 4, 5, or 6, if they have a permission from home in the paper that they can go
out
in the breaks, so they can go.
Okay. And how is their age from the 4th to the 6th? In the 4th class, they are aged about 8 or 9?
They are about 9 or 10.
In 4th class. In the 5th, 10 or 11?
Yes.
And the 6th, from 11 to 12? Okay.
But the pupils in the class 4, 2 and 3, they are not allowed to go, and they cannot have that permission. But they can go to football stadium with the teacher, but not alone.
And one of the teachers told me that when the pupils are out, one of them stay out to watch the situation, to look for them. Is it so?
That kind of things have also happened, but it's not usual.
Yes, maybe we just speak about how many hours of lessons are for the pupils and how many hours are for the teachers.
No, we didn't.
Okay, how many hours of lessons?
Not in the take. In the class 1 and 2, pupils have in our school 19 to 21 hours, and in the class number 3 and 4, they have from 23 to 25, and in the class 5 and 6, they have from the 24 to 26 hours a week. And then in the class 4, 5 and 6, children can choose if they want. They can have an extra language. Everybody reads English.
Starting from
Depends. It depends. Somebody reads English.
On what? On the teacher, on the parents?
It depends how available you are, how good you are in that language. So it's possible that you read English from the first class, already in the first class. It's a new system in our school, but we have started.
How good is you refer to the pupils?
Do I?
To the pupils or to the teachers?
To the pupils.
To the pupils.
Yes.
So maybe it can happen that one pupil, even if he is aged, for example, 6 or 7, he can start with a foreign language because he is able to.
Yeah,
Okay.
but not in the beginning, in the autumn, maybe after Christmas.
Okay.
Yeah, and in class 4 and 6, they can choose an extra language, and in our school it's German or France. And then they have 2 extra hours. But that is free, if they want.
So you can choose. How can happen that a pupil so little can be able to speak a foreign language even if he didn't learn it in the school? It's a kind of different things about the Italian situation. We don't have a lot of parents that can speak a foreign language like you have. So few people can speak a foreign language in Italy. And so maybe here you can have an help from the parents.
Mm.
It's so that some pupils are just able, even if they are aged 7 or 6, to speak a foreign language.
I think the biggest reason is that in Finnish language is spoken only in Finland. And
Only in 5 million or 5 million.
5 million people and 300,000 people in Sweden.
So you need to.
Yeah, and when we like to travel abroad, and we think that the Italian people don't have to learn Finnish, so we learn foreign languages, and
Yes, but we need the English.
we need. But I know some people who can speak Italian. I cannot speak Italian, but we have many people who can speak. Not in our
Finland.
Yes, my girlfriend, not the same with whom I am married now, but
Okay.
and she was very good at Italian. It was nice to be in Italy when she spoke Italian in Italy. It was very nice.
So maybe there are schools here where you can learn Italian too.
Yes, but not many.
Not many.
No.
Can you change the number of the hours for the pupils?
You mean the lessons?
The hour of the lessons?
Yeah. If, for example, in the class 1 and 2, they have 19 to 21 hours a week. But the teacher can decide this week that everybody has 21. And next week everybody has 19. And next week maybe 20. But every time the teacher must be so many hours that is said in the papers.
For the teacher.
Yeah, for the teachers.
They can't change their own hours of work.
Yeah, they can change, but in the whole year, in the school year,
okay.
it must come to the same. But for example, in the class 1 and 2 and the others too, but we take an example from the class 1 and 2, it is possible that some pupils have 19, and then they have group B, which have 20 hours, and they have a group C, which have 21. The teacher can change, and this system isn't in every school, even in Vantaa. It's in our school, and that is a very good system.
I agree. And
For example, I can tell that in my class, so we have now 13 computers, but I have 29 pupils. It is the biggest classroom in the school. So I take on Wednesday morning 8 to 9, I take only 13 pupils, because 13 machines, 13 computers. And next Wednesday I take another group, 13 or 10.
So you can take pupils for several kind of classes.
Yeah,
To do the same thing. For example, if some teachers are specialized in computer, they can take pupils for several classes and have a special lesson for that.
Yeah, that's also possible, but I haven't used that because I have so much work that...
Not for you, but for some
Yeah,
other
that's
teacher, it's
yeah.
possible.
That's possible.
So it's a good idea. So the last question is, Do you think that some subjects are more important than the others? For example, maths and Finnish language is more important than foreign language or than music?
It shouldn't be so, but some people think that English is most important. Some people think that football is most important. Some think that to play violin is most important. For me, most important is to become a good person, and tomorrow is becoming a better person.
I agree. Okay, I thank you for this interview, and I show my colleagues and my headmaster.
Grazie tanto, but I want to speak a little more, but you can record that as pitäisikö kolmatti koska. Terve. Taasko epäselvyyksiä? Loistava. Euroopan unioni. Joo, mä oon just tämän italialaisen opettajan haastattelussa tässä, näin videokamera kuvaa tätä. Eikä kun tää on ihan hyvä tilanne, tää ei vaan vaivaa yhtään. Se on sellainen, ja nyt tää on sikäli ikävä, kun se on viime kesänä hakenut tää opettaja, Tiina Ojala sitä, niin se ei ottanut kopiota siitä. Se opettajalehti kyllä jostakin löytyy, mutta opetushallituksestakaan siitä ei ollut paperia. Mutta he ovat alustavasti jo sopineet ja tehneet jonkinlaisen sopimuksen Eero Väätäisen kanssa tästä. Eli tää on niinku tavallaan kesken, niin mä oon tullut väliin tähän näin, ja Tiina on tietysti ostanut jo matkan ja varannut sen matkan, niin hän on ensi viikolla 3 päivää pois. Ja tää Pasquella on Italiasta, sitten täällä meillä on ollut nyt 3 viikkoa, ja hän on huomenna viimeistä päivää, jos ei lakkoa ei tule, että hän pääsee bussilla Helsingistä tänne. Että tästä EU-opettajavaihdosta on kysymys, mikä pykälä, mikä artikla, en tiedä. Mutta todella ikävää, että tässä vaan turvattaisiin, että Tiina Ojala saisi palkan näiltä 3 päivältä ja lisäksi saataisiin sitten ottaa ulkopuolinen sijainen ulkopuolisista rahoista 3 päiväksi. Ja niissä pykälissä on lukenut, että tähän sillä opettajalla on oikeus. Mitään päivärahoja ei makseta. Ja niin mä oon ymmärtänyt. Joo, se sattuu olemaan, kato, kun hän on jo varannut sen aikaisemmin, että nyt sattuu olemaan siis helatorstai ja se perjantai vapaapäivä. Niin se on niinku siinäkin suhteessa mun mielestä säästää Vantaan kaupungille älyttömästi, mutta kun yksi ihminen vaan lähtee, ja joku virastossa pitäisi tietää tästä enemmän, mutta joku kanslisti toi Ulla Väätänen sanoi, että se oli nyt, että on pois. Mä oon tainnut vissiin sen jo hyväksyä. Joo. Mä en oo varma sitä, että tätä paperityötäkin on niin valma, että okei, lähdetään siitä, että mä puollan ja sit se menee Paulalle. Joo. Joo. No sovitaan tässä sitten näin, että me maksetaan se perjantai ja se helatorstai ja te maksatte nämä 3 päivää. Niin. Kun tässä on lähdetty jo tämmöistä viisautta käyttämään hyväksi. Joo. Joo, mä soitan heti tuolle Ullalle meidän kanslistille, kun se on tuolla eri tilassa, että ottaa sen virkavapauskaavokkeen esille ja katsotaan mikä siellä on systeemi. Niinkö ei ole, mä pyysin sitä siltä Tiinalta, mutta kun ei opetushallituksestakaan enää tiedetä siitä. Kyllä. Hyvä.
Much. Thank you very much. The same to you. I'm very grateful.
Thank you. Switch it off. It is on.
Yeah. No.
It is. Because the red light is here. When the red light is here, so the tape is going on.
Is it recording now?
It is recording.